Right now we are at a screen printing facility, and these are the automated screen printing machineries. So these are really advanced, huge number of stations for different colors while printing. Let's have a closer look at how these printings are done. So we have a machine called mesh stretcher, which stretches the mesh and places it on the frame, later on which is glued together with the frame, and then it's dried and you have a screen which is attached to a mesh. Screen that was created goes through a process called coating, where a liquid is being coated on the screen, which then is used for exposing. So as we can see over here, 2 to 3 stroke in the front and another 2 to 3 stroke at the back. So once the design is completed from the designing team, a film is then created with the print on it. So this is kept together with the screen that's been already coated and dried. A person takes it carefully and marks the placement of the print. So where the exposing should be done properly in order for the placement of the print to sit properly in a t-shirt or the material you are printing on. So these together are then exposed in a UV light exposing machine through which the exposing holes are made and the screen is prepared. So this is a very important process while printing because these blacks should be really dark enough for it to be exposed. The unexposed area of that screen could be taken out and the holes open up properly for the inks pass through the screen to the t-shirt. So once the screen is exposed, goes through a washing process. So this is a really advanced machine that's used to engrave the holes into the screen. It avoids a lot of process, so it makes it much more quicker, and the engraving is done so precisely that the printing is really high quality. So during printing, there are different colors involved, and in different colors, there are hundreds of shades. And these shades are carefully hand mixed together in order to get the proper Pantone color that's been given. So over here, we can see the person keeping the cut fabric in the placement that have been already marked right there, which can later go through different process of printing, as in different colors of printing. And they have carefully been put onto the alignment so that while printing, it doesn't get displaced. So in a design, there might be 5 colors or 16 colors or 15 colors, whatever it may be. So for each color, each separate screen is being made. So once the fabric is kept at the marker, then moves one by one through each screen where different colors are printed onto the fabric. So this over here is a flash curing machine. So after a single screen print is done, the ink is then flash cured in one of these machineries over here. Right now, we are in front of a curing machine. So once a printing is done, the garment is passed through curing machine in order to get cured properly, and we will receive it at the other end. Curing is the process where the ink and the garment are attached properly so that you don't see any breakage. Even the washing can last long. Once the printing is done, the screens are then stored over here so it can be reused if the same print is gonna cure again. If not, it will go through a process called recycling so that the frames of these screens can be used again. What are the advantages of screen printing? In screen printing, it's much more cheaper when we do it in a huge volume. So once you do a huge volume, it's much more convenient than DTF or DTG. So in screen printing, the other advantage is that we can do a lot of customization in screen. We can do glitter, we can do puff, we can do regular screen print, we can do high density. So all these kind of varieties can be achieved in screen printing.